akwala on TTP. So she'll be why the loneliness alone is a big time. And I know Colombiana or you're able to confide in people. I'll bet me I can around Semana, send me or with you, or bet me will be a share and not Colombian to me. Yes, who are what Tilla once said, me, mammy, who are yet a product of show your fun. The number of show means that, oh, mammy, but who knew him said, and mammy, sir, it's so bet me I confide in Saman, Airjin.
Said a young tea and send be say a mammy botona and mammy rare a whole year, a dear tina mikasa, I didn't know a ya papa for a drew say, ya mammy no boy and yesusa, would to be giant, what ya want to me a puyesa. A year, Mary also Fatima. Or a date rush, ongoing TV show, a what TV 3 date rush, or movie, Nakoban say, Zion Felix, I name Zion Felix, ain't you know, na bra boom, quanya of fast or dini yaudi, EBP or date rush, a year air possible TV 3, nine commodity no can say, ni papa any neglect or no, any nebusia, it's a man no call. That orphanage for 90 years because a dipana na or also a buano dipano a dream maybe no na more this why they acting it's a money did you call orphanage how home say they are any no franchise orphanage home and also the say some man no papa one we see and say we a janka or so or no more on when say ko bia ko say or say obwana no ma call orphanage no ma fa e bi mo kra o mo ban e bi utimi ko fa o mo free ho e de o mo tino mo chen e yo mo ti say o mo yim ba zabia no e fe no orphanage home ndi akọ e na Fatima e ko pie ye na adofo asemi die me ka ne sese ye wo e na ka wo ye Fatima no e na wotimi bre ya brebru mo geni amanya kokon apagya wadrum pepe so ya masisi ano wagidin e wo Ghana ha no se ya na se e ba ne so papa ba se fami boni cheno na doye ni na no enchai ye so person sanfa wo se e ba bioma en wo anka wo be cheno ana se enka wo be jemu asa agina to se papa enam se asem we hunti no a ebutu ni ntino ma sheda to nsafre mi nua ba sono mi chan husima na me ba meni no abahyeche nkon roni it's the same. Yeah, the Nomiasi. And simply Elkusuna, you wouldn't say a yard who send ye pa, efa, a dear apostle, ye yabamberu, or Wusua Fatima, as it's all a date rushing or ongoing program and what's all TV3. Now, yes, I am Felix in church, you would say, if papa neglecting, papa in Finuka, and the man who pure orphanage home. First, send me papa. Now, meaning so, who ye papa. Now, one neglected is what for me, Brahman, who feel you. Then I didn't walk a fast in with
Papa, for any neglection. And then I'm about to use some make them check a seminar, and my action for paying too much. She
always your second job.
Now, if you make a one, I as an easy. Now, I'm in check since we don't come papa. And just why I did that, dear child, why I did because I never perform me now. And it's me yet with the hobby. I am and wait a big scenario. Your perform to draw now. Here, Mr. says, I wouldn't ready to say, obey only Obano, Ebony, Awa. And then why in the first place do you have sex? 1 year ready to over, and then now have sex. When himself have sex, there are effects of sex. A big and year consequences they be means and where they are means is you have to be ready for it. And any day you have to prepare yourself for the possibilities. It's when you're ready, I don't know. Now, yeah, boss has a way so send an hour say a year, sell for free, or yes, I not any kind of GG, the one make a severe or magic people of the capacity to be nothing about perform or free. No way you need to appear and banishment. I mean, you pay.
And look at it as an example.
I watch the Apollo was saying, Uni me na plan di uni me bi oda uni according to story once on the story but no ye the my any be see any mami say the team mami now kun so otwa no mo keka ba no akopi sika ba na nka woni obusu ko mi na mo di na ko ni age obusu ni ma was madam mo ana friends timber man or ye juma operator or ye juma wo ana wa ka odo mo akwa ko so ye formal we o scanting all the one akwa pass ma me dey obi ni na no wa asa mo kan
me say
be man no wo ye fofo awo nti ono se okọ oba no oba no we no anu wante ne nka biu o wa kwa fofo no wante ne nka biu wan afi akwani be didi mo be scan ne yante ne di kwani ju afi na abetwe ne edi me na wo ne tro na aba ba tu di fofo se oba no ene ni di no na di ndi se ni di edi me na de tro no so what I say this is not your responsibility you pay na abetwe with papa di e wa akona no so e papa no akomo na Fatima kasi o kasafa ne papa se papa jano no me bisa se na maame so wa
say again oni ni papa ni maame ene eden etie ena won say abrabom so se maame titi bebra etimi oba se uti maame kwa no arekwaro utimi to du ko ja na da ko se bia wo she madam for ye de ema me ni bia ko chame wan de ababa be she me pa enti ni pa no so she ne na ni pa no hu se wa bre won wa di no wan ye no di ko fa ne je de ya ofu bebre de e wo ho ma omu beti omanya de ahye no
se Fatima ma ameti ase na se oye nsa me mbona apaso so what I say on tears we what I want kasa wan shidan afam betu jani on tears dia e be kasa ni papa no na bebo le china say o tears dia ye go papa le chino so na ye go mam le chino because we have had series of parents omone omumma ebo brand new but brand new agent but parents no still what say ade aroshobu krama nkola omuye isu omusu anyama pin su fe na fe nkola no on TTP so show be why the loneliness alone is a big time and anya kola bia na oye able to confide in people obetimi aka na re ho sema na asem bi okofimu obetimi ne obi ahye anya kola bia no timi yesa nti obi wa wate no ho say mi maame ni obu a ye da krala pakosho ye ofan ye na pakosho obi nsa o maame ni ye de but onu ni say ye maame ni sa nti so betimi a confide in asaba no din but so ti say oh mi maame an ni a ye na easy man kona ni pin so betimi a confide wo e wo maame ni mo betimi aka nsema twa na where ose man at bien at say den ya etimi yi akole wa so ni so na o di call orphanage o de akola orphanage attention being the man for him. It is like no orphanage attention chema kola na wo ni. Into akola ni timi nya like a full-time attention. So say na wo ha obeti no man say full-time attention. Enti sa orphanage we so ya ko we ho. Ya twen we so ansa na asori. Ya ko we so na asori ya ko we but obia su ye ne no so obia ye okay na ye ni na ye madam for net one ye hwe ye be ko ye ne ye say wo say wo be ya ba mo ya say na Mother, it's a classroom. I said, "We best have but classroom was na parent, teachers, your classroom. But akolani be fear a different for you different. Why do you want to but full attention on the man column? So what I said, it's a different thing altogether. It's what me I said, wouldn't mean share akolani into do. Say it's different when you still have connection with the child. Ebia ojuma ye muni we munti no. Esa that akolani come out no one. And I call connection with Akolana. I know Fred na and combination so no could never Akolana orphanage because or say there when you are Akolana so there oko twema we san so aba bi but so cat connection pure like where you umba me sha Akolana there say one so say okay and ma mi wa put ne ba na shem na so that I didn't mean for be this one me ma this one if you don't know what responsibilities so be nti ohwe no ntimi handle a eno de ko bebi a wan to akona na nchi we nja no bo we pia na twi ni fie an pia na tuko de bi o de na ko fa na chi eno pe na any option na me kan say say na meti asedia ene na mama na ni afi so me kan so there are parents do ha omota eyesa ajibe me person show mo kan say ade na etese den ya eyi say na pan ko pie wo timi e bia na ko pe wa and Casa was no cool, and go, and I go baby because to process. And you did rush and the baby girl so will pee, and some of our celebrities. And you did rush and so will pee, and some of the pet or be our baby, our can more careful. So I just what 7 things we will have said single woman or dolls will raise. So I just you, but so far as you have your mother, you have your father, you have someone to talk to, and the depression is not so much on you. You're not so depressed to find another partner. Oh, if the person comes your way, fine. But if the partner is not there, you know how to be because you have someone to talk to. The reason why women are so desperate for partners is because of this. So what I said, they don't have anyone to talk to. There is no one to confide in. There's no one to rely on. There's no one to share my problems with. You see, and will be over there, and these things will not happen. So what I said, so certain things. But when I watch this program, it's for the entertainment sake. It's for the fun sake. I enjoy it. I am a lover of that program. But sometimes when I think about it, I ask myself, why do women do this? You understand? Why do they have to post themselves out there? Maybe they comment, maybe you post this or post it on Facebook. And I saw it as right. But when about out, he was like, a friend said, these things are money. Or they said the women are presenting themselves as cheap. A woman, these people are disgracing women, like they are putting it out there that women are that cheap that will be at first sight to just fall for the person. Now, you are going out with the person. Now, without knowing the person, it's like be a certain date among. You are for that and you are dating. It shouldn't be like that. It should rather be friendship. Why you meet the person on a natural basis, like the traditional way where you used to meet the person, you propose to the person, or you talk to the person, you get to know the person before proposal. I don't believe in the kind of relationship where you love me. I don't go with that. Like, okay, now I'm off, you put me off. But when you start with, I like you, okay, fine, then we move from there.
Start getting along.
Yes, we get to know each other. Then, in the course of our likeness, where we are still strengthening our friendship, look, you can propose. Because by then, I'm going to develop some feeling for you, possibly, if not, you know how to deal with it.
Okay.
But see, I feel perhaps there are so many single women out there and they are not out doing this. You understand? So it's because perhaps all these people have had a series of people to confide in when it comes to their own problems or sharing their problems. That could be it, and that could be the reason why she's out there like this. But,
okay. Sorry to chip in. Do you think say a benya effect or Fatima so?
It's going to have an effect. As any papa feel away from each other and I said this ration.
No, not about the day trash, but concerning papa on the blessing no FP. Like more papa D offer the job for 9 solid years. Do you think that effects
woman? Obviously. Okay. She has gone through it all. And I would say effects can be positive and negative. Okay. I've had one friend be also called orphanage, and lucky for her, the head of that orphanage, attention, I want to Anna, or share the pants, or one who want to school tap or paying or your bank or pay pants or pay school. She was like a very, very good student, and she's making it out there. Well, she's just one of the lucky ones now. They fell into this orphanage home like she has come on. And see, like I said, she has gone through a lot. And there are some people, someone like me for one, I'm the type that normally do not like sharing my problems, even with people. And see, we say, if you're situation you want to be advice be a bit depending on one also for those advice, a bit depending on the friends. And see, effects there when you don't have a mother with you. When you don't have a father with you, you always go through a loneliness. So what I say, the loneliness is a big thing. So I'm sure that she has gone through the big effects. But I also know that one way or the other, there has been some positive effects in her life.
And I'm sure she has also learned.
If you listen to the girl, she's one strong girl. She's one top girl. And she didn't learn this from anyone, but from where she came out from. You understand? So like I said, effects positive. And she may go through the negative ones, which if you're on shame, but the positive ones we are seeing it. Like toughness, no, any
so negative ones also
negative ones, no. Once I also people depend on other people for also who was situation now share you say a problem share is half solved. It's also a problem with someone one way or the other. When a person talks to you, you have something to stand on to make certain decisions for your life. But when you don't have it, also, there are so many things that you may fall back at. So at certain things that you could have decided on that could have pushed you into your early stages of life or the blooming success of your life.
Okay.
You realize that you fall back at it because when you're and cashing you depended on your own self or possibly a child of your own age. I hear a message, I hear a bit advice, I hear a bit so what I say. So these could be some of the reasons why.
Okay. So do you think say the papa buy and then so catching so from a bonny cherry, the me in a man yenny ya, would you say on fan papa and I say once I need papa in my shin between more fast more neglecting it, don't so move on with the life.
Nemeka say papa ne ebanisa day say all the better but all the child me G forgiveness di idea what forgiveness man G and G was it no way man I come here like the next thing me smiling with you you should know that this is me letting it go. So what I say and the reason why I can't say oh day be show more who nipa ne krampa who obi bon komo ne woni age na wo sere woni age pa na wo so who nipa na video adane before nipa no so is free. So what I say nti una wo how. So what I say nti the me catch on say on fan check na nko obi ka say no the chain on so share na so what share me nti on the channel on san so share na ayo odi we ye dey moja we ye dey na o papa ana pe impo so yi na be pa ko ene ni e preko say ba ko twi nyankopon eni na e ko twi nyankopon eni no ka say o papa de boni tua o papa no de ama o oni say sa bi si ana o share da ni ma o. So what I say I was putting my baby now so na be ka say papa de boni tua ka nti won so o papa ya oboni so de boni tua ka o be boni tua ne ka na say you have a big question to answer when you get there. So what I say so to save yourself from that big question fache shemo we you crowd is you can say about akuni bi na be okay. So what I say so to make us all fache.
Okay, yo. I yes sister I appear back up or say Fatima and Fanny and Fancheni papa said Bassa and papa by the punch or on Fanchen. Now answer a beck on the football bang and a word and for 4 months or so or find yourself in this kind of situation. And then advice now the word more money and papa 4 months or so neglected on my
Master Jeffrey number 4 now a young Mammy and follow on a one young for my goodness. You are the one that carried the child for that number of months. And I those one our brave wall a buy until a moment attention and purpose. We are danger no matter how tough the life is. So far as that child is with you. But I don't think about this the toughness. Somehow it's just your worry, but and yet a worry. It's not only yet certain mistakes of yours as mistakes. So what I say. Now, no matter the toughness, note that the child alone being with you is a good say a good platform for her. You understand? So don't push your children away into anyone's hands. The way you will handle your children, no one can handle that child for you or those children for you. After so many sounds will come and go through this kind of series of cases where don't want to orphanage who are common and money maybe your more crocodile. Now there has been cases where you are under the age of 18 years now. Life is still tough for you. So phone or access to phone. Now say also YouTube, also the make sure that the orphanage is a place that is open for you. I don't think you need any registration form or you need any big time money. Statement, what they call police station, find this reporting cases. The place is there for you. I think that place is a place where most orphanages are. They are good places where putting through school and everything. So we are all fighting for a better future. Now, yeah, but papa phone. Any of them go through this stuff. No matter how hard it is, I have not been a victim of that, but I've seen someone who has been able to make it. More so, Fatima has been a big example. And I want to tell you, so no matter how hard it is, we will go through the life, the toughness, yes, the toughness of the life. We will go through it, but at the end of the day, you will overcome it, and God is going to bless you. More so, maybe Papa for yes, Rama, when you're ready, and Mom will plan it for you. And this irresponsibility of fathers, we've had too much of it. We are just too tired of it. But what's in our mommy, we're Janet, no, I ain't any case in you. It's not a catch my no matter what is going to work out. I think say most more involve yourself in the family. Where I'm planning you say, Papa, even if you both are separated, be there for the child. No one said, oh, if I have a if I have my nose and if I had if I answer the baby because my parents will be fine. So I said, just be there for your child. And this is what we are all looking for. Oh, yes, yes, what is the new moon? And not to the end, what is the big people in the family? Like I said, who educated or ban educated areas in the nation. Oh, every yes, and Mother's Day, we say for this day. Nancy says, oh, Papa, phone me away in room. Alcohol radio, so for this day, alcohol radio, so away. But since
yo, no, I can't even na breno, I be I, Papa, for yes, Muncha neglection, Abuya neglecting. Now, Muchaya, Yami Pejani, dear, nothing a Mubabe priest, a ham, Benny. Oh, yes, our baron so very reject, who said you're rejecting and now, because any fine. And you're fine, sir. Ayo, ya a day, and ya me day, and then send me a bro, me ding eddy, a fia and stroma bacope. I mean, you say, I send you so soon, ya, and how bet share what did, none is needs, like I said, call YouTube. I got too much G, never subscribe my never comment so to comment section, let's share what G and then send you if you are now for Facebook, or subscribe Instagram, any Twitter, I not forward just yet. It's all more Emma me, and that's your best share my crown.